DAP All-Purpose Adhesive and Filler is your new total project solution that allows you to bond, build, and repair just about any surface. This two-component epoxy works on a variety of materials, including concrete, masonry, wood, metal, PVC, and more. Its self-mixing nozzle makes it easy to use. To start, simply unscrew the cap. Screw on the mixing nozzle and extrude until a uniform gray color appears. To bond, extrude epoxy on both sides of the damage and glue together. Be sure to clamp or secure both ends for up to 6 hours. To build, first map out placement. Then extrude the epoxy onto the material as they're placed for security. To repair, fill the void with epoxy and tool smooth to the desired shape. Once dried, it can be sanded, painted, and coated for a seamless repair. DAP All-Purpose Adhesive and Filler is the total project solution to bond, build, and repair just about any surface. From DAP.